Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's video is just to make you aware of the different recipes we have from Punjab. Punjab is a lovely state which offers food with very robust flavors, just like the people that inhabit it. It's a beautiful state having beautiful food, and I have tried to give you a glimpse of what I know of the different kind of food that we get from Punjab. That can also be normal everyday food as well as dhaba food. So what you need to do is you need to go to my channel and click on the playlist icon, and you can open up the drop menu and select Punjab recipes. In that we have got more than 80 recipes from Punjab in that category. You go to that and you will get a list of all the different recipes we have. We have the Punjabi veg thali, which is complete in itself with all kinds of raita, vegetables, paneer ki sabji, different breads like tandoori roti, puris, rice, sweet dish, and to top everything off, even got chas. Everything that you normally would find in a normal Punjabi thali is included in this one with detailed recipes and ingredients. You can check out that, or you can also go to the individual recipes that we have on the channel, like many of them. It's including the main course, the rice dishes, the different breads and sweet dishes and everything. For example, the ever popular Amritsari street food Nutri Kulcha. The recipe is shown to you with all the tips and tricks that the street vendors use in Amritsar. The Biga Kulcha, another Amritsari favorite. Pindi Chana, Chur Chur Naan, stuffed with paneer, Langar Dal, Veg Patiala, Rajma Chawal, the ever famous and favorite Punjabi dish. We have also a full thali of dhaba food, which is not possible to go and enjoy during COVID. So I have made an entire thali of dhaba food. You can have make and enjoy that food at home now. There is also non-vegetarian dishes like the murg makhani or the butter chicken, restaurant style, chicken angara, chicken buna masala, so and so forth. And we also have sweet dishes like gajar ka halwa, both with sugar and with jaggery. And also the aate ka halwa or the khada prasad, moong dal halwa, so on and so forth. More than